Well, yeah, I'm out here, old dark 30, getting ready to go to school, getting ready to crank up the bike. I'm going to show you what a day in the life of an MMI student is all about. But you know what I forgot? What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? You know what I'm saying? A little bit too early. Still a little bit too early. You probably can't even see me. It's really dark. But let's hit this road. Let's go to school. No feet, no feet. All right, we're in the process of taking down the entire front end of a 2014 Street Glide. We got to replace the bearings on this one.
Can you move any slower?
Can you move any slower, Tom?
Hey.
We're only on the clock.
Only when I'm jacking it, bro.
All right, I'll be right back. Got a couple fork rebuilds going on.
Film me on the one that I'm fucking up.
No, hey, just do what I told you earlier. There, you got it.
Can't get it.
Yeah, I asked him earlier.
How's it going, George?
Chilling, bro. How about you?
Hey, got enough time to do some recording.
Hell yeah.
He's working on the inverted forks.
I gotta put the compression tool in. This is the scariest part of the whole situation.
Oh yeah.
Keep greasing.
Stashberries. Tastes like stashberries. It's all greased up, ready to go back in, man.
Let's get it.
We need another piece of wood, too.
I'm just the supervisor for today.
You grab a piece of wood.
I'm more like the service rider today. I put one down there.
Under it? Yeah.
I didn't put it underneath the tire yet.
I need it, yeah. In a minute.
Is it catching?
No, when we do the torque,
It's in there.
Oh.
There's tighten it in.
Put that between the lower bracket and track bar.
All right, we putting the bearings back in place. And by we, I mean Sam.
All right there, homeboy. Well, those meters also.
All right, the forks are back on. We got the batwing fairing back on. We got to start torquing stuff down. We're just plugging stuff away at it right now and rerouting wires. I already put the other stud in on the opposite side. All right, putting that inner fairing back on right now, figuring this out. And then what's next will be the wheel, fender, adjusting the steering head, and then finally putting back on the outer shell of the batwing fairing, and she should be good to go. Get back at you in a little bit. All right, we've got the front end put back together, and now we're just doing the steering head bearing adjustment. And then once we get that swing back correctly, we all good to go. And it only took about 2 hours, what, 45 minutes?
Yeah, but there's a problem.
About 2 hours and 45 minutes. And then the problem that we have now is Tom. He put his hands on these damn tools. Now we got a goddamn problem. Always. Stay away from the tools, Tom. Well, there you have it. I made it back to my apartment complex. That was my day today, just doing the entire front end of that 2014 Street Glide, tearing all the front end down, putting new bearings, putting it all back together. You know, that took about 2.5 hours to do. Then we had to do the steering head adjustment, which added probably another 10 minutes to it. Nothing, no problem to it whatsoever. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this little look inside the day in the life of an MMI student. If y'all got any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and write them down in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer those for you. If you like this footage, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise than that, that's all I got for you. So, like always, enjoy your ride.